a rock girl and as a bad girl, there's something you did and you begin to feel very bad. Let's talk about motivational speaker. Who talk about them? I hear say motivational speaker tell person is teach in time, save 9. So now wetin you think from my profession now? Are you telling me you teach people there then save 9?
How concern you? Because now they kill on the deliver clothes. Because they don't sew one, they still
Thank you. So are you think that the motivational speaker dey talk nonsense? Because we wey be doctor now we dey suffer. When you follow those rubbish, you come to the hospital and suffer me. Get another one why yeah, you say dem talk abi
a journey of 1,000 miles begins from step.
no really cause that kind thing do wrong. No really cause because the thing anyhow. And when you come out for your ass, e go start before you. So some kind give me what you use. Extreme. That thing wey you talk now. Nonsense word they give to us. And you people now go follow that word, now follow that word. You know, now come suffer us baby doctor. You come suffer me.
Yeah, then even though the downfall of a man is not the end of his life.
It all depends where you fall. Don't know how that person dey give you. You fall from 2-story building for Nigeria where our ground no dey good. You have that. You see, it's not only downfall of a man. You don't.
Others where they fall from 3rd Milan Bridge.
You don't die.
Die.
But let me give you a solution that you have to obey, and the solution wey I go give you go work in Jesus' name.
Amen. Wow.
Go.